Stretched out far on the open land, a house is dried up and dreary, but she doesn't mind, 'cause it's her home. She's my Moloka'i woman. She's my Moloka'i woman. I gotta tell you something about this song. I did this song in Molokai one time, and I'm not lying, and I met this child by the name of Willie K. And I said, honey, you're a girl. And she goes, yeah, but you should see my mother. She's my Moloka'i woman. She's my Moloka'i woman. How you doing? You guys all right? Every day she wants to cross the sea, bound for Lahaina town, yeah. At the end of the day, she returns to Moloka'i, and she comes home to her castle, never complain about the day. After working hard, she works at home. She's my Moloka'i woman. She's my Moloka'i woman. Yeah. Yeah. Think about it every night and day. Can't live without her. Can't live without her. Night is a party night, inviting everyone all around. From Moloka'i to Halawa side, everybody from every town. I want to tell everybody about the little lady, what she all to love to do. She hug and kiss and love almost anyone, she might even be loving you, yeah. I'll comfort you when you're crying, and I'll hold you in my arms to let you know how this love of ours is more than forever and ever. Yeah, my Moloka'i woman, I love you so. On the holy day, you'll see her by the shore, playing with the children. I thank the Lord, yes, I thank the Lord once more. She's my Moloka'i woman. She's my Moloka'i woman. She's my Moloka'i woman. Every day, my Moloka'i woman. Lord, I think about her, my Moloka'i woman. Don't you let me know.